At the heart of Butuan City stands a gateway to the future of the maritime professionals. The St. Joseph Institute of Technology Maritime Academy, a place where discipline, knowledge, and leadership unite. Our academic efficiency sets us apart with competent instructors, modern facilities, and a curriculum aligned with international standards. We prepare cadets not only to pass exam, but to excel in real-life maritime service. Every lesson builds skill, confidence, and character.
In SJT, safety is always a priority.
Safety is always a priority. Our 24/7 guardhouse and security team ensure a secure environment, giving cadets and their families peace of mind. So learning is always come first. In our advanced maritime laboratory, cadets don't just study ships, they command them. With modern simulators, they practice vessel maneuvering, navigation, and emergency procedure, gaining hands-on experience that bridges the gap between classroom and sea.
Life on campus is made comfortable.
Life on campus is made comfortable. Our air-conditioned dormitories provide rest and relaxation, while our dining halls serve complete daily meals to keep cadets strong, healthy, and ready for training. A cadet's strength isn't just in academics, but in discipline and teamwork. With basketball and volleyball courts, we promote fitness, camaraderie, and resilience, essential traits for every seafarer. At the St. Joseph Institute of Technology Maritime Academy, we don't just train cadets, we build leaders of the seas, equipped with knowledge, discipline, and heart, secured, skilled, future ready.
I wanna dance in the lights. I wanna rock your body. I wanna go for a ride. Hop in the music and rock your body right. I wanna dance in the lights. I wanna rock your body. I wanna go for a ride. Hop in the music and rock your body right.